Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Shiko Paul, a Kenyan content creator, and welcome again for the new subscribers. For those who haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this video. If these kinds of content that you enjoy watching, kindly do subscribe, share to your friends who wanapenda to contents kama hutu bado. Hopefully you're going to enjoy. Leave a sweet comment for me guys, and I really appreciate. So thank you by the way. Nimekuwa napoteanga nikirudi, but you know what guys, siwachiliangi, like I just say like naenda napotea kabisa. So no, today I decided as the title suggests, hapo hivyo kwa description, you already know what I'm about to show you guys. I can't tell you to guess, and definitely you know what I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to show you my house tour. Not like a complete house tour, but my kitchen tour. I've decided to show you before maybe I start buying things, you know, like, oh my god, I have a lot to do in this kitchen. Like, hata nyinyi guys mtaona tu, I have a lot which I'm supposed to do and change in this kitchen guys. Currently bado sijajua my theme color ni gani. Mimi hujipata along the way I just find myself nimejua kumbe theme ya kitchen iko hivi, kumbe nini iko hivi. Don't wasting a lot of time. I just want to show you around how it is before baby wakes up, because akiamka, I'm telling you, I will need to like pause and then start again. So itaonyesha tu venye iko. I've not like arranged something so that you find it as that super amazing awesome kitchen tours. No, I'm just posting it how raw and real how it is guys. Maybe you give me ideas of what I should do in the kitchen, which colors you think are the best for me, neutral colors, what I should add, what funny toy guys. Just comment. I'm open to your ideas guys, and definitely nitasama na nizione guys who is ready to see the kitchen tour. For me, I'm amazed to show you what we have. I don't know where should I start guys. Where should I start? But let's just start from somewhere guys. Should I start from this side, or this side guys? How should I do now? Let me just start from here guys. Okay, since sina mtu mwenye ananichukulia video, I'll just have to show you how it is. So my kitchen is an open kitchen guys, as you can see. So hii side yenye nimekaa ni side ya sitting room, and the other side now is the kitchen. At first when I was starting life, I really wanted like a closed kitchen where unafunga hakuna mwenye anakuona, but now I really enjoy open kitchens. They are my favorite. Like I would go for any open kitchen as na pia yani huwa zinanibamba, but as long as iko na hii stuff guys, not just an open kitchen yenye haijaganishwa hivyo. But this one, it's one of an ideal of what I really wanted to have guys, and I appreciate myself like nilipata tu at the time when I didn't expect. So guys, just tell me what I'm supposed to do and what I'm supposed to change. You just comment and tell me. If it's a plus, still say shiko hapa umejaribu. Okay, so haina mlango, it's an open kitchen as I had said. So there is these cabins over here, but he said I guess inside the kitchen ama inside the sitting room. But anywho's, this is how it is. There is this cabinet. This is how it is. Inakaa hivyo hii cabinet. Like in here I have a lot I'm supposed to do guys, but you just see I've not arranged anything guys. You'll just see how it is, just raw. Iko tu hivyo. I'll just show you on the other side. Haya, iko hivyo. And then there is this top. Hii ni tangu aje guys? Someone just tell me how it is called. Alafu hapa naonekana fungo zangu like zote hapo msipotee. There is this mug where I place my tea. That's it guys. Inakaa hivyo my loves. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. So definitely here there is these two sockets near kuasha, and then kuna ile hapo hivyo kwa balcony. So that's how it is guys. And then there is this, anyone mwenye huanzianga live, I'm very sure na patangaka ka stuff. So I felt like there was no need of kuitupa since it's just there na hakuna fridge. Hapa ndo nilikuwa nafikiria kuweka fridge since there is two sockets. So my ideal thing is niweke fridge hapa na microwave hapo guys. What do you think guys? So it's just so juu hakuna nikaiamua tu niweke hapo, but ikikuja I don't know whether I'm going to change this one ama ikata hapa. So this is where I put my tomatoes and onions, since where I stay mbali, so lazima buy vitu in bulk guys. So these are some potatoes that I'm supposed to cook for my baby, and then there is this mango, definitely it's nice for a baby. And then there is this avocado which inafaa kuwa hapa guys. Fruits, no, what am I supposed, fruits zinafaa kuwa hapa hata, I don't know, fruits zinafaa kuwa hapa and then hapo hivyo zinakuwa maybe kama pumpkins nini ndio zinafaa ziko hapa. So here I'm supposed to place it here. So hii ni kuweka takataka guys, and that's the shopping bags guys. So that's how it is. This is how it is. Kuna my zesta, blah blah blah, there are things going over here. I've not arranged anything guys. About tell me what should I arrange on this side na huku na huko kwingine. You just give me an idea. Hapo hivyo nimeweka hizo stuffs. Hapo nimeweka those carrier bags, nimita tokens and everything, zesta, Indomie. I'm a lover of Indomie, and there is this person who always cook and anipikianga Indomie vitamu vifiti. Hey, baby daddy is nice when it comes to cooking Indomie. Like I really enjoy when he cooks for me Indomie. Like oh my god, like namwambianga tu nipikie tu and he says my ugali is nice. So oh my god. Anyways, that's how it is. This is the fruit blender guys. It's like a green one, kanaka hivyo. That's how it is. And then ooh la la comes here. Then there is this open space, and then there is this mask tuko hapa. Kuna hii. Initially hivyo ndio iko kitchen. Imagine my kitchen is so simple, haina mambo mingi, but it's because we are starting all over again guys. Like what do you expect my love? So hapa hivi ndo nini zangu tu bana, they are so doing well. Hii ndo nilikuwa nimechemsha mtoto wangu maji ya kumwosha. Kumwosha akakunywa uji akalala guys. That's how it is. Hii ni kamata guys, mnajua that's my nini over here. So hapa ndo nimeweka vitu za kufunikia. There is nothing much going over here guys, and this we do need to kitchen mat. Yeah, that's how it is. And bas na tunakuja hapa. There is also another shelf over here guys. I don't know whether I'm fast or am I slow guys, but even though kuna ka like nothing much, imagine. Oh my god. And so these are my kitchen towels. So hapa ndo nafaa niweke kuka. I was thinking of replacing this with a cooker guys. Guys, hebu niambie vitu nipate do, like ni turn hii into a luxurious kitchen. You get it? So this is my ugali. Nilipika asubuhi nikakunywa nayo maziwa, and then the rest I will take with beans. So nimewambia I'm taking it so raw, like uncut na everything. Hapa ndo vyombo zangu zenye ni chafu and also so forth. Hivyo ndo kunaka. Hapa ndo naikanga vitu za kuosha guys, vyombo. That's how it is. Na hapa hii stuff nimeweka juu ya maji, like maji napata ina hivyo inamwagika hapo hivyo chini. That's how it is. This is my baby's ujiko hapa. This is an avocado nimemwekea kwa pacifier, nimemkate zingine ziko hivyo. And ulala here. Aki guys, najua mtasema a lot of I don't like plastics by the way. I'm planning of buying a set. Yeah, niliona ni around 4k to 5k a set ya nini ya plates. Unaona, since mimi ni mtu wa familia sasa, I need to like to change this, you know, like kuna friends will come and visit and blah blah blah, family of both sides, so I have to change these guys. Like guys, imagine baba yake ni alibangizi kitambo, like when he was starting life guys, aliamanga kubali. Sasa mimi nimeshinda kumwambia mnatupa hizi, so nita buy other plates guys, but even in ndo iko mpaka cups. Mnaona mpaka cups guys hakuna. Oh my god. Hii tunakaa je kikomrade hapa na baba Kesha. Okay, so this is how it is. Hivyo ndio iko hapa hivi chini kuko hivi guys. Hapa ni vitu za bibi. Okay guys, unaona like sijapanga guys. Don't crucify me on this, but that's how it is. Hivyo ndio iko guys. And yeah, I'm telling you I have a lot to do in this kitchen. Unakaa ni fala. So, huku kuna kai video this actually we were planning on hizi sufuria apeleke ushago, since we are planning to get other sufuria zile kali. Imeenda mpaka huko like hakuna vitu guys. Like hakuna vitu. But the house iko hivyo. So tukitoka hapa, hey, another thing guys, miona mpaka tujabai curtains guys. Like oh my god, we have a lot to do in this. Like we have a lot. I'm telling you, we have a lot to do in this house. And actually ni mimi tu nitaziendea juu. Sasa babaki atajua ni curtains gani nzuri na nini. So nitaweka hapo hivyo. But the best thing is that, can I tell you one thing my loves? Hata before tuendelee. Do you know juu naendanga soko like kwendea nini za kuuza. I'm telling you, I leave my daughter na baba yake na napatanga my daughter like hali, she's full like girls with their dads ni kitu ingine. And then I thank God for a nice amazing dad to my daughter. Tunapatanga amekawosha, like amekapia food, you know, like I just love that. Oh my god, Mungu tu ambariki na amzidishie guys juu oh my god, kupata mtu mwenye anakufanyia hiyo mambo yote na nakubali like aache kwenda job akuangalie mtoto. Okay, yeah, mtoto ni yetu sisi zote, but not everyone anaweza kubali kukua hivyo, kukuachwa like mtoi. Hiyo nayo na mweke hapo, hiyo nayo God I know. Hiyo nayo nakongani nimesema asante. Thank you. Kwa sababu I've never sijaipa each and every time narudingi kwa nyumba na maybe hata nitaenda like the whole day na nitapata mtoto amelala, ameshiba, and napata tu amelala. Imagine how wana watch, they're just amazing. Girls with their fathers, it's something else. I can relate that since I was also me with my dad. Hey, ilikuwa ni kitu ingine amazing. It was so nice. So that one is by the way anyway. So he guys, hii ni sheer hii peke yake iko hivyo. Hapo niwaambia curtains tunafaa kuweka. Si mnaona vitu vinye niko na vitu mingi guys. I need a cooker, a fridge, a microwave, a blender. Juu sasa hii I find this one is a small one. I mean a blender. I need easy cooking, easy nini hot pots. Sema kwa mtu wa familia sasa nafikiria venye like my mom from the other side anaweza kukuja ya people, my mom pia anaweza kukuja like you know like lazima mtu ajipange maneno. And also pia friends still like you know what else, plates, cooking pots, nini ingine guys sijasema, blender. Ingine Mungu baba nimesema ni lazima nibuy. Kuna hii pressure cooker. I really need a pressure cooker since you know I have to start cooking for my daughter like easy plant proteins like easy beans, dengu blah blah blah, ndo zive haraka since kuendea kubai kwa kibanda. Okay, kuna vibanda zingine zinakuanga poa, but kubai kwa kibanda zenye zimepikwa. Unajua kuna watu wengine wanapikanga nini, wanaikanga magadi, na mimi kama Mkikuyu in me who miss kagitheri. Kagitheri is a nice favorite thing for me. At least niko napika. Unaona? Juu okay, charcoal sipendi. I'm not a very fan of kuakisha jiko guys. I'm not a fan of that, but really love. So that's why a pressure cooker, it's one of my list that I must get them guys. What else do you think I should get in this kitchen? Comment down below guys. Tukiendelea. Haya, so guys, after that tunatoka hapa sasa, ndo nilikuwa nakwambia maji na teremkianga hapa ikikuja hapa. Haya, so tunakuja hivi guys. Ulala, this is now my balcony. My balcony iko hivyo. Hii sasa ni ile stuff ya kuweka water dispenser ya hivyo. Guys, look at my surrounding, my loves. Look at my surrounding. Oh la la. It's an amazing surrounding, guys. Unaona? Even ndo kuna kama my loves. Haya. Comment down below kama unajua hapa ni wapi niko. Kids, aki kuna a lot of stuff. So hapa ndo naika takataka. You can see that's my daughter's diaper, short mirror, his stuff. Hii ya hapa hivi nje. So most of the time napenda kurelax here, like when the baby is ashalala in my mornings, na prefer kuja to take my breakfast over here so I can meditate and feel like thank God for mahali amenitoa, mahali nanipeleka. I just reflect on my life, like what do I need, what should I do, what should be my next thing, guys, you know, those kinds of stuffs. And just think when I'm just alone, when I'm alone, nothing else. Okay, so huko kama mnavyoona, you don't have those hanging lines, and I thank God, like easy when my daughter comes of age, that is kama you still have in this house, ama who knows, tukwa kwetu, at least atawezi yanguka, like hawezi yanguka ameweka vizuri, unaona. So hapa tuikangi kuanika nguo, tunanikanga huko juu. So this is the bulb, guys. Hii ni takataka ishaja. Hizi ni mapipas tu zile za kuhama. So initially I didn't like this nini pia. Na feel tu zitapelekwa ushago. Jota mimi sizipinde. I just don't like them, but they're nice. I just don't want them in. It was my baby daddy's taste of it. I didn't like it. So I prefer sasa kuweka hizo kwa sitting room. I feel like no. Kenya nitafanya, I will just get other arts. You'll see, we will get other arts and tutaona, guys. So in the meanwhile, my loves, that's all about my kitchen tours. My kitchen tour. Maiona aje, guys? What should I do? Najua niko na vitu mingi. Oh my God. But anyways, we are going to do it all, guys. That's it all, guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell me what should be my next video. Okay, guys, I love you. Ciao, bello.